were both thinking about the fact that when we got into teaching, we were teaching ICT, and then computing has come along. And when you get into it, this is my first year teaching programming to a group of students, and you're thinking at first that you're teaching a language like Python, or in primary you might be teaching Scratch or Blockly or something like that. And you realize that actually you don't really want to teach the language, you want to teach the concepts, which are common to all of them.
There's a tendency to dive into actually teaching the programming element without teaching the concepts behind it to start off with.
Yeah, then students end up being able to type a code in or put a bunch of blocks on a screen, but they didn't really understand conceptually what they did. So if they want to do something different but similar, they don't manage to do it because there's no concept to move from one to the other.
And being able to construct a piece of computer code, if you know the concepts behind it, it doesn't matter what the code is written in, what language is written in, it means you can understand the flow of the program. So if you teach from concepts to start off with, it doesn't actually matter about the language, you can pick up another language easy enough.
Right, so if it's about Scratch and you're starting to learn to do loops, you can then do loops in a different language. You can do it off the computer, you can do it on the computer. Once they get the concept, people think of certain languages as being more advanced, but they all have the same core concepts. They all have variables, loops, repetition, which is loops.
It becomes easier to debug as well, because if you can see where the concepts are, you can see what's going wrong.
So have they executed a repetition in the right way? Selection, choosing between options, that type of thing.